In this video, we will talk about the different user levels of the communicator. Manipulation of device parameters is often a challenge in the field. With the three user levels, user, advanced user, and installer, the communicator hinders any kind of unwanted manipulation of the device parameters. The Bürkert level is of course limited only for Bürkert-Service employees. Now let's take a look at this in the communicator itself. The current login level is the installer level as seen above on the left side with the icon, which means that the installer has full access to the device and can change and read and write all different kinds of parameters to and from the device. Now let's log out of the installer level, and now you can see that the level has been limited to the user. The user in this case has read-only rights and is not able to change any kind of parameters. We can change the level with a password for the advanced user, which is the default password and can be changed at any point of time. Now the icon has changed to advanced user, and like you can see, the advanced user has some more rights than the user and is able to change non-critical parameters as well. However, some parameters remain restricted to the advanced user as well and would need the higher level, which is the installer.